I'm here on the next beautiful day again, giving God thanks for life. Hey, Uncle Chad, what are you on?
Just come here mixing the cement con the mortar.
So this guy says he's mixing the mortar. So this is mortar. Mortar is cement and water and like concrete. What is concrete again? Concrete is when the water touch the cement mixed with the grindstone. That is concrete. So now, yeah, when it get hard, right? That's when it become concrete. So now this is the wet concrete. Alright? And this here, over here, is a dry concrete. Alright, so guys, you can see now the place is coming along looking beautiful, like somebody working here. I just do a little cleaning up. I'm getting this prep for painting, and last day doing this dressing up. So as you can see, everything looking beautiful. We're not going all the way to the top because that has to roll. We don't do that. Alright, so see you in the next video. Real star, Uncle Chad, at it again. One more day for them, Uncle Chad. You don't know, because you don't know we left on the island. You know, we don't come here for sling gun. We don't come here for teeth, guys. We don't come here to see you at this way though. Hard work and beg Father God for him strength and him protection. This is what we do. So if you guys interested in any one of these, any stucco work, any home improvement, you can always hire me. This is what I'm straightening up today. All of these are getting the straight edge. This was my work, guys, but I can't work and then leave my project like this. So all these work I have to fix them up so my work can look nice. Alright, so I'll let you guys see what's going on. All these edges now, I'm gonna work with the edges them now. That's basically what I'm doing today, straighten up so we can have a beautiful finish. So have a blessed one. I'm out. Don't know, it's me again, you know. Don't know, read at it again. You don't know the youth them have to eat. You don't know we have to work. We don't believe in a jail time. We believe in a love time. And we believe in haunting. Look at the universe, how it's pretty. Look on Father God's sky. See Sunday, guys. And see the trees there. And see we are breathing it there. Today, we are awake. And we are up. And we are going. Don't know. Peace out. Father God bless each and every one of you guys. Alright? Concrete!